All right, I found the bottleneck. So the the pulley system is a little different. So the one that was in the truck that I've originally put in there was like a 86. This one is like a 90 or something like that. I can't remember. It's out of that bus over there. I think it's like a 90. Nevertheless, it's newer. So I'll show you the bottleneck. So right here, because this stack is in closer, and it actually has less pulleys on it than that does. Less spots for a belt. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's long, it sticks out longer. This one has 4. So that one actually has 2 more. So the problem is, we're hitting here on this line, and we're still right here. You can see we're still a good ½ inch or an inch probably out of away. So, and then this pulley sticks out so far that it will not it won't work because it's, yeah, so even if I got the pump on there, everything on there, this isn't going to line up. So what I'm going to do, so I have this other air pump. This is off of an old Lodestar, like a 70 something Lodestar, and it, as that thing sets right now, which it's an inch out of way, this is about 1/4 of an inch. As it sets, it's about 1/4 of an inch offset from this one. So I'm going to get this where it needs to be. I'm just going to cut this out. So all your oil is in here, inside of here. So as long as you have a ½ inch or 1/4 of an inch of seal coverage here, it's okay. So I'm just going to hack this off here. Give me a nice swath here so that I have plenty of room for this line, because I have plenty of real estate here. And get this set where it needs to be. And then I can work on figuring out which one of these I'm going to use. All right, so a little tidbit here. So instead of trying to draw the gasket, if you have to make your own gasket, instead of trying to draw it or, monkey around with that or whatever, if you have a small ball peen hammer, if you'll hold that gasket on there and just tap the edge, this machined edge will cut that gasket. And you can also do the same thing with these, just very lightly tap them, and then those you'll have to cut out or whatever. So I'm going to put a little bit of assembly lube inside this pump. I got it all washed up, all pretty and clean. I'm going to spray this out again with brake clean, and I'm going to put some assembly lube in there. All right, I got everything together here. So I'm away from the fuel line. Maybe not as far as possibly I would like, but it is away from it. It doesn't look that very far in the camera, but it really is. It's good and away from it. So anyway, and then it's notched out more here, so when you have to move it, I redid this a little bit here. It's not touching. Isn't as great as I wanted it to be, but it is what it is. Now if anybody is a DT person, I'm pretty sure this is, the top one is the in and the bottom one is the out. So if I'm wrong there, you can tell me. So this pulley system, it does still look like it's not quite straight. So we did take this off. This is actually tapered, so you can't turn it around. If you put that one on there, it's in the exact same spot as if it was on that one. So I don't know if the bottom of that is the same as this one. It really does look different, but that pulley, if you put that pulley on here, because it will fit, it's way out here, so that won't work.